everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the Young Nails Slick Pour Powder Coat System. I picked this up at Ulta for around $30, and in this kit you receive the remover, cleanser, powder itself, a little cup to pour the powder out of, the gel base coat, and the gel top coat. Also, you get these instructions, which I will be following because this is actually my first time using this product. So the first thing it says to do is just file down your nails and basically just prep them. So I just filed down the edges, and then I took my little buffer, four-sided buffer square, and started buffing down my natural nail just to get rid of that shiny layer to really help the powder stick to my natural nail. Then I just pushed back all of my cuticles and make sure that I just had a really nice clean slate to use this powder on. Also, I do want to mention that I may be doing some of these steps incorrectly. I am just following the instructions. Like I said, this is my first time using this kit, so I figured that I would share it with you guys on camera so we could kind of do a first impression together. I thought that would be kind of fun. But yeah, if I'm doing something incorrectly, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below so that I can fix whatever it is that I'm doing wrong. Now I am just taking the cleanser and using a lint-free wipe to wipe off all of the dust left over on my nails. Now I'm going to get started by taking the Soak Off base coat and applying that on all of my nails. After you've applied a very thin layer of the gel base coat, you are then going to take the powder itself and that little like spatula spoon that came with the kit, and you are just going to start pouring a very thin layer of this powder on each of your nails. I gently tap off the excess just by tapping my fingers against the surface, and then I let the nails sit for a minute under the lamp. And I'm just using the Jensation nail lamp that I got with that kit because that way I didn't have to go out and buy the lamp that goes along with this kit. So any lamp that you have will work. Then you repeat these steps again, just apply the base coat and another thin layer of the powder. This time I actually took one of these makeup brushes that I don't really use all that often, and I just started brushing off the excess powder, and I did this very lightly so that I didn't leave any dents or anything in the powder, and it actually ended up working out pretty nice, so I was pretty happy about that. And after you've let your nails cure for another minute, you are just supposed to file and buff down any lumps and bumps and make it as smooth as you want to, and basically just shape your nails at this point. I then took that same makeup brush and just brushed off the excess, and then what you are supposed to do is take the cleanser that comes with this kit and a lint-free wipe again and just wipe off any of the excess dust that's left over. And finally, after that, you just take the Soak Off Top Gel coat and apply that on all of your nails. And then after you've applied that, you just let it cure under the lamp for another minute. This is actually a lot easier than I was expecting. I've always wanted to try the dip powder nail trend, and I'm super excited about this kit. This is my first time seeing it at Ulta, so of course I had to pick it up just to try it out, and I'm really glad that I got to try it out with you guys. Last but not least, I am just going to take off the sticky layer with some more of that cleanser and a lint-free wipe. And then this is what it looks like immediately after. And I went back in and actually applied a little bit of a nice silver glitter to the bottom of my nail just to give it kind of like an ombre effect. And that's just with some regular gel polish, and I really like how that turned out. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos on my channel. I've got some more nail tutorials in a playlist, which I will link in the description. And yes, if you want to order this kit for yourself, I will leave a link to that in the description as well. It's a very fun kit to use, very simple, very easy, and there are many other powder colors that you can get at Ulta.